So today we're going to be unboxing the Neewer LED ring flash. I bought this to help me do videos like this if I wanted more light, because I do struggle with that sometimes. So I'm relying on daylight usually to do these kind of videos. So I'm hoping this will help me. So let's have a look what's inside. So, got some instructions. Disposal. VIP. Yeah, and this is the instructions. So what we get all together is controls. This goes on top of the camera, the DSLR camera, with a connection like that. And then we have the light itself. We got some different shades to use. You can swap out these to use with this. If you want the clear, frosty, blue, or orange, that can be done. And then all of these, don't know how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 adapter rings. So this should help you use the correct one with the correct lens. And I'll explain that in a minute. And then you just have a simple stand. Let me just open this. This is a simple stand if you want to place it somewhere. So you could just attach that to there. So you could just attach that right there, slide it on, so you can use it as a normal stand. And that's it inside the box. So what you do get is a 49mm, 52, a 55, a 58, a 62, a 67, 72, and a 77mm adapter rings. Now to check what your millimeter of your lens is, the best way to do it is look at the cap of it. So if you can see here, Canon cap, that is at 43mm. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it says 43. And I found out that none of these are 43. So what I did is find a step-up ring, which was this. And it says a 43mm to a 52mm. And that solved my problem. So check first if your lens support any of these adapter rings. If it does not, maybe you can find a step-up ring or step-down ring. So here we've got the different shades. I won't be opening all these packages. It's going to give you an example. And to change one of these, you grab the clear plastic and twist and pull off. Very simple. Use this one then. You can find the connection points and slide on. Simple. And then you just turn it on. Now, these require 4 AA batteries, which are here, and they do not supply you with batteries. So I've got some rechargeable batteries here. I do recommend some rechargeable ones because what I've heard is that they do run out of battery quite quickly. But it depends how much you use it. Then we close that. Now turn it on. And there you go, we have a light. It's quite bright at the moment. My camera settings does not match this light. If I can see, yep. But it gives you an example of how this works. We got different modes, we got flash, we got the left side if you want it. Or we got the right side. It's quite hard to see on the camera, but it works really well. You can decrease the brightness, or you can make it extra bright. Okay, so it's time to show you guys what it looks like on the actual camera. I'm going to have to record from my phone. Okay, so now I'm recording from my phone. This is the camera I use, the Canon M50. I've only got a 22mm lens on this, but you need a 43mm adapter ring, which didn't come supplied with this box. As I said, I bought a step up. How that works, you just screw it on here. So this is a step up from 43 to a 52. And that screws on there. And then we find the 52mm one, which is this one. It has a small marking. You can see a small mark saying a 52mm. And that should be able to screw on this one. Onto the step up. And that's done like that. And with this adapter ring, you should be able to clip on the light. So, how the camera will look. This will clip on here. There we go. I press the button. Tighten that. Then, there's a button here and there. When you press them both, it releases the clips. Put it on top, release, and it's on. So now you're able to record with a nice bright light facing the subject. So it'd be very good for unboxing, especially from a top-down view. If I can turn it on. I don't know how well that is showing, but it gives you an example on how it would work. And you can change the settings all from this. So yeah, that's about it really. The main reason I bought it is for this kind of stuff. It seems pretty good. I haven't really tested it out yet. I've just unboxed it and see how it works now. But so far impressed. Make sure your lens does fit it. It should do, depending on the size. But as again, if the size is not there, you can buy step up and step down rings, which don't cost too much. If you want any of these, check the link in the description below. And I hope I'll see you everyone in the next video.